For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. Congress suspended former leader and spokesperson Sanjay Jha for anti-party activities and breach of discipline. The Maharashtra wing of Congress made the announcement on their Twitter handle after party state president Balasaheb Thorat issued the suspension order. Shri Sanjay Jha has been suspended from the Congress party with immediate effect for anti-party activities and breach of discipline. Move comes after Sanjay Jha was vocal about the party's action over removal of Sachin Pilot. For 5 years, Sachin Pilot gave his blood, tears, toil and sweat for the Congress party between 2013 and 2018. The Congress came back from a wretched 21 seats to 100. We just gave him a performance bonus. We are so meritocratic. We are so transparent. Congress's action comes amid political chaos in Rajasthan government. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's government is on the verge of collapse after Sachin Pilot's open revolt. After the Congress announced the removal of their party spokesperson, Sanjay Jha lashed out at Congress on his social media platform. So, the Congress and its stooges have started its smear and damage campaign against me. This is a lie. AIPC Maharashtra was and is by far considered the best performing AIPC All India right through my tenure. I'm sure they will continue to be the lodestar under a new team. However, Sanjay Jha also stated that he will continue to remain a Gandhi Nehru idealist. My loyalty is to the Congress ideology. My fidelity is not to any individual or family. I remain a Gandhi Nehruvian idealist, a vanishing breed within Congress. I will continue to raise issues that are fundamental to the resurgence of my party. The battle has just begun. Sanjay Jha earlier resigned as president of Maharashtra unit of AICC, citing political conflicts with the Congress. Incidentally, after the suspension order, Sanjay Jha has changed his Twitter bio and indirectly took a jibe at the Congress. Congressee by DNA, sacked and suspended. My big blunder. Fought for internal democracy, suggested changes to revive Congress, challenged Van Winkle leadership. This is not the first time Sanjay Jha has been vocal about his views regarding Congress. In June, Congress dropped Sanjay Jha as a spokesperson following a newspaper article he wrote heaping scorn at the party. Sanjay Jha had been constantly criticizing Congress over their handling of developments in Rajasthan. Sanjay Jha had even stated that Congress lacks internal democracy. In an earlier major development, the Congress party removed Sachin Pilot from the Deputy Chief Minister's post and the State Congress Unit Chief. The decision was taken in the backdrop of a no-show from the Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot. Along with Sachin Pilot, the Congress party has also removed two other ministers, Vishwendra Singh and Ramesh Meena. The Congress party decided to drop these leaders as they rebelled against the party. The decision was taken in the CLP meeting, which was attended by several Congress party leaders.